Where do you usually watch TV programs/shows? Why? Why not? Model answer: I am not an outgoing person. I like to stay home in my free time. I mostly watch TV at home. Because I don't feel comfortable watching TV at workplace or at any friend's house. I have some selected TV programs I like watching. I don't want anybody disturb me when I watch TV, that's why I usually watch TV at my house. What is your favorite TV program/show? Why? Model answer: there are some programs or shows which I watch on TV. I mostly watch educational and informative programs. The Ribana Hook show is my favorite. Mrs. Ribana Hook is one of the top business women of my country. She teaches young men and women how to do business and take your current business to next level. She shares his experience, which is very inspiring to me. I learn a lot of things which can help me learn business and people skills. Are there any programs/shows you don't like watching? Why? Why not? Model answer: there is a wide range of TV shows and programs that I dislike watching. There are some programs which promote superstition and animal sacrifice. Programs such as Nagan, Intekam and Balveer so on create confusions and trigger the feeling of superstition. I feel these programs are not good for young people. Do you think you will watch more TV or fewer TV programs/shows in the future? Model answer: frankly speaking, I am not going to watch TV more in the future. I feel that I am not going to watch TV more in the future. I feel that YouTube is the best alternative of TV, even gaining more popular than TV. It allows you watch the program according to your choice and time. Netflix and web shows are going to be the foremost choice of my type of people. Part 2 Questions and Answers. Describe someone you know who has started a business. You should say who this person is, what work this person does, why this person decided to start a business, and explain whether you would like to do the same kind of work as this person. Model answer: nowadays people are more interested in doing business than the past. Business enables people create more employments, solve problems, make more money than job, and maintain a better lifestyle. Many of my friends are established businessmen and progressing by leaps and bounds. I would like to talk about Mr. Ashikur Rahman, who has recently started a social media marketing agency. He helps businesses create awareness and attract sales and make more money. His agency runs ads on the behalf of others. Presence at social media networks is very significant nowadays. If businesses do not exist digitally, then it is not considered well. He caters to the advertising needs of businesses. He did a research, learned, honed his skills, and decided to start the advertising agency. He believes that it is going to be more popular in the future and mint money quickly. I believe that this business is going to one of the fastest growing businesses of the coming time. People are more interested to improve their online presence too. Make more business. Big brands Zara, Bata, Apex and so on, pouring lots of money on social media ads. It is going to be very important for every business to take the help of social media advertisement experts. So I would like to do this business. Initially I would work as freelancer and hone my skills. To run this business I don't need to have more technical skills. I can learn the basics and do it. I may take any course and learn to do it more professionally and efficiently. What kinds of jobs young people not want to do in your country? Model answer: gone are the days when young people followed the professions and words their parents did. Today people are more inclined to find a job or business which suits their passions and enough remuneration. Internet and technology has drawn the attention of young people. They want to do job in technological fields or do online jobs so they can earn more and keep upgrading their skills. There are many new jobs emerging in the corporate world and challenging and encouraging young boys and girls to accept. Who is best at advising young people about choosing a job, teachers or parents? Model answer: teachers and parents both advise young people for their bright future. They want young boys and girls to do something they can be proud of. Guardians and educators play a very significant role in the lives of young community. If the parents are educated and experienced, it can be more reliable that their advice is practical. There are some parents who are not educated. They may fail in this regard. Teachers are thought to be the master of their subjects. They can evaluate students practically and scientifically, which today is more trusted. Is money always the most important thing when choosing a job? Model answer: money is not only the factor which helps people choose a job or profession. There are many other aspects which are taken into consideration while choosing a job. But money matters the most. We cannot ignore Job satisfaction is one of the aspects which young boys and girls think of. It is very difficult to do something which is not satisfying and meaningless even though it pays high. People believe that it may lead to pressure and physical problems as well. It is recommended that all aspects should be taken care of when choosing your profession. Do you agree that many people nowadays are under pressure to work longer and take less holidays? Model answer: as far as my opinions are concerned, people are working hard and longer to meet their needs. Inflation is rising and 8 hours job is not paying people enough so they can feel secure financially. If people have to keep pace with the time and maintain a standard in the society, they need to earn enough and save for the future as well. People are working part-time. They don't take more holidays. Many people take double shift jobs so they can pay the rent, electricity bills and get their children educated in good institutions. They are forced to work longer hours and take fewer holidays. What is the impact on society having a poor work-life balance? Model answer: working longer hours and not taking enough rest lead to serious health and mental issues. We are human beings, we are not supposed to work like machines. It is seen that people who don't follow health work-life balance are irritated and under pressure. They suffer mentally and emotionally. It sometimes leads to verbal dispute in home and workplace. Disturbed mind is not productive and creative. It may create unnecessary misunderstandings and issues. Could you recommend some effective strategies for governments and employers ensure people have a good work-life balance? Model answer: there are some steps which can help people maintain a proper and strike a healthy balance in personal and professional life. Government should not force to work people part-time. Employees should be asked feedback to help them feel at their best while working. Employers should provide holiday packages and medical facilities for their workers. This would make them healthy, wealthy and wise. Government and employers should work jointly to help workers live a balanced life. There should be counseling and medical examination of the workers. They must be allowed some time free so they can unwind themselves. Thank you for your watching.